Hey there everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today we have an unboxing for you. Couldn't help it. I never thought I'd say this, but I like the flagship, so for Valentine's Day I asked my wife for it and she got me the Tornado V4 Pioneer Edition. Comes in about the same box, well it looks like it is the same box as the flagship, but it does have the different picture with what they call, I guess, the Predator magnets on it. With that, let's get to it and see what we get in the box. You get your card, X-Men Designs. Can I now buy another one? In the accessory pack. I'll bet you it's a white bag. I was right. It's like I have ESP or something. You get your X-Men Design white kind of pleathery bag. It's not a bad bag. It just white is not my favorite color. We all know why if you see my previous videos, but it is nice. They are durable. You get your handy dandy screwdriver. And then you get your pamphlet on all your settings, tensioning, compression, whatnot. So you're going to want to save this one. And then all your other standard ones. Oh, and you do get an extra center cap. That's pretty cool. Got to give them that. And also, once again, your cleaning cloth. Okay, I gotta say, I just love how they don't wrap their cubes in that annoying plastic that sounds like nails on a chalkboard. Ooh, feels solid. Definitely got a high gloss to it. There's the famous Predator magnet. So you got adjustable corner magnets. See if we can take a look under the hood here. Now with this one, you have like the old V3, your dial with the numbers. Got your handle. So that's nice. It always makes it relatively easy for. Let's see if I can get it apart here without making a cracking noise. I don't think I'm going to be able to. It appears to be a little tight. So we'll wait on that. So first turns, not bad. Quarter cutting was not bad. Ooh, this is smooth. Feels a little, well, I can't see how it feels dry. It's a little gritty out of the box, but it's whisper quiet. So from what I understand, the only difference between this and the flagship, mind you, I've got a few solves on this. I've also done my settings on it. The only difference between this and the flagship will be the magnets. this here one I've adjusted in for me. That is the V4 flagship. Does this supposed to have the ball core in that? I haven't had the best of luck at trying to get these apart and together lately, so. Okay, so no center magnets. There you go. Does have the ball core with the magnets. So not bad. Not bad at all. For not being adjusted or broken. God, it's smooth. You can definitely, I don't know. I don't know if I can. You saw this one's UV, the other one's not. I don't know if I can. I guess you can tell a little bit of a difference on, maybe not. Kind of feels the same. It feels a little more stable. I like it. I don't think you can go wrong with either one of these. They're both very nice. So let's see here. We're gonna go with the flagship, just to recap. So on the weight of this one, you have 71.62. Now we'll go with the Pioneer. Woo, 82.73. So yeah, all those magnets, boys and girls, does make them a little bit heavier. But if you're not a girly man, you won't mind too much. Out of the box, it's not bad, not bad at all. Let me shut this off. 55.4. 55.4. So they are the same size. Said this is not bad either. I don't think you'd go wrong with it. It's not broken. It's not set up. I don't have the magnets adjusted. So it's just a fresh solve right out of the box. And as I said, I'm not your best solver, fastest solver. I'm still working on patterns and algorithms and that. Yeah, I would say by all means, the Tornado V4 Pioneer Edition. Yeah, money well spent. Or if you got enough, get them both. Compare them for yourself. Smooth, very smooth. I love how quiet they are. Feels good right out of the box. I do want to loosen a little bit more because Once you do a couple solves, though, oh man, these things turn so smooth in that. So I would definitely say if you have the extra money, you want to save a little bit of money, you can go to your favorite shop there. You can go to speedcubeshop.com, put in my buddy, well, the guy I watch, and say buddy, I don't know him, you don't know me, Sean from the speedcubерeview.com, SCR code. You can go to the cubicle and put in Cube Head or Ting Man and save yourself some money. They're both good shops, both good people. With that, I would have to say I give it 2 thumbs up. And that'll take care of it for today. So remember, as I always say, boys and girls, keep the sunny side up and the wind at your back. And until we meet again, peace out.